Don't blame me, death, on the shit in your head that you claim ate you like a virus for days on end. Watch you decay, watch you waste away. Who'd you think you'd fool, baby, digging your own
So go ahead, yeah, just drop dead. And while you're trying to fool the whole world, don't forget that you'll decay and you'll waste away. You can't cheat death when you're digging your own grave. You're out of line, hurry yourself alive and expect it to be fine. You can't rewind when you're choking on your own story, begging for your life. Your bridges are burning and all the tables are turning. You started a fire and you're burning up, oh, burning up, 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 burning up, oh, burning up.
Give is what you get, and in your case it's nothing but guilt and regret. And all the flames you kept in your brain came out your lips and sent you straight into your own
You were a walking, talking corpse at best, and I swear I couldn't wait to get you off my chest. And when you asked us why we couldn't look you in your eye, it's hard to find life in something that's already died. You're out of line, hurry yourself alive and expect it to be fine. You can't rewind when you're choking on your own story, begging for your life. Your bridges are burning and all the tables are
soul.